Russell Madden is our installation expert. Russell, good to see you.
Good to see you.
So this is a big opening, right?
It is. So it's 16 wide by 7'6" high.
Big enough for 2 cars to come through there. And what are you putting in for the homeowner?
So we're putting in a steel insulated garage door with a black overlay on the front of it.
So we like the steel, nice and sturdy. We like the insulation as well because we've got heat in this garage.
Yes.
We're going to try to keep it temperate. And a single door?
Single door.
That's a big, heavy door. How are we opening and closing that?
It's a heavy door. The springs pretty much do all the work, but then we have a 3/4 horse belt-driven motor that's going to help lift and close the door.
And we've got options, right? We could do belt, or is chains a possibility too?
We can do belt or chain, but because we have a living space upstairs, the belt's definitely this better option because it's going to be quieter.
Nice and smooth. All right. So I see you've got the panels set up. These go together and we put it in.
We do.
Let's get to work.
All right.
Just sneak behind you.
So right now we're just centering the door in the opening. Bring our tracks over the rollers here. And then push that into the jamb. I'll take this wood lag and I'll put it inside the track bolt here. And that'll hold the section in place for now. And now we're going to prep the other panel. Now that we have our 3 sections together, we got to take the level and level the door out. It's actually pretty level right there. So now we're going to take our horizontal track. Brett is going to attach it in the front. I'm going to make sure it's leveled out here in the back.
Gotta go to my left a little bit. Right there. Good.
So up next, we're going to grab this torsion spring and we're going to throw it up, and that will take the weight of the door, basically.
And the torsion spring is designed to kind of resist and contract on the twist as opposed to the pull.
Exactly, as the door is going up and down. So we'll have 8.75 turns on this spring.
Because how heavy is this door, roughly?
It's 450 pounds, roughly.
So you've got close to 400 pounds of torque on this spring when you're done.
Correct.
So a lot of tension on that, and now a set screw to hold it in place?
Correct. I'm just going to line up the front of this motor up here with the pin.
All right, hit it. Look at that, huh? Nice and smooth, quiet too. And that thing is lifting a 16-foot door like it is nothing, huh?
Yes.
Well, nice job, guys. The homeowner's gonna be really psyched to see that.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
All right.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.